This is OnePlus 11, and today I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So that's a very simple thing to do. Usually, if you do not have any external audio devices connected, the Dolby Atmos is, well, by default always active and you cannot turn it off. So well, that's a good thing, I guess. In order to access its preferences and options page, you gotta launch settings, then enter the sound and vibration category, and in here at the bottom of the page you'll find the Dolby Atmos section. So as I've already mentioned, you cannot turn it off if you do not have any external device connected, let's say headphones or Bluetooth speaker perhaps. But even though it is already active by default and you cannot alter it without, well, connecting any audio or sound device, you still can change its preferences. For example, you can either change its environment profile. As you can see, there are 4 presets to choose from, or scenario specific profile, also 4 presets to choose from. And by the way, if you have connected any headphones or such to your phone, in order for you to know that Dolby Atmos is active, you just gotta see this toggle. If it is gray, you just tap on it and enable the Dolby Atmos and turn this toggle blue, as it is in my case. Or if you already have it in blue, that means that the Dolby Atmos is active, and well, the only thing that is left to do for you is to perhaps change the preset that is being currently used. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.